If the thought of traveling by train didn't give you enough of a European feel, try throwing in the Mediterranean-esque views of the Napa Valley along with it. The Napa Valley Wine Train has been a must-do staple of Napa tourism for years, thanks to its gourmet cuisine and world-class wine. The train cars are made up of restored vintage Pullman cars from the early 20th century, and the decor is an homage to the glory days of luxury train travel with all its mahogany paneling, brass accents, etched glass partitions, and intimate seating. The wine train isn't so much about the destination as it is about the journey, since the track is a fairly short 36-mile loop starting and ending in the small town of St. Helena. Tour options range from 2 to 3 hour journeys complete with a 4-course meal to full or half-day trips that last for 3 to 6 hours and include wine tastings at some of Napa Valley's most famous wineries. You're paying for the ride, but also for the food or wine along with it, so save this train ride for a special occasion.